Before you begin, take a moment to become comfortable with the space around you. Make sure you're in a quiet and calm place where you won't be disturbed for the time being. Now, take a nice, long, deep breath in through your nose. Feel how the breath is able to ground you, awakening a relaxing, comfortable feeling within you. Hold the breath in for just a moment and then gently breathe out through your mouth. Repeat this a few more times, breathing in deeply, holding the breath for just a moment, and exhaling fully. When we experience anger, our body's natural response is to tense up. Right now, I'd like you to notice if your body is holding on to any anger. Scan your body, aiming to notice where your body may feel tense right now. Once you've located the tension, take a deep, calming breath in, slightly tensing the area as you do so. Now, let out a deep exhale, relaxing the area, letting all of that tension evaporate into the air. You can do this as long as you need to until you feel that your whole body has surrendered to relaxation. Now, I'd like you to take a moment to think about why you've been angry. No matter what the reason is, know that you have a right to feel your feelings and express them honestly. Anger is a natural reaction to a situation we may dislike. Yet, when we let anger run rampant in our minds, it may influence our behavior and even take control of us. Take a moment to perceive your anger from a calm perspective, choosing not to block it out, but to understand it. Sometimes we may feel angry when a situation has taken an unfavorable turn. Breathe, knowing that accepting uncertainty, especially when it is out of our control, is a strength, not a weakness. Breathe, knowing that each moment you spend handling your anger in a calm way is a sign of strength. Anger may serve as a call to action. It can be a precursor to a positive step that we need to take. Your anger may be completely justified, but there is wisdom in knowing that you are able to bring about transformation and positive change much more effectively by remaining calm and centered. Breathe. Keep sitting with your anger, soothing it, feeling how it's beginning to loosen its grip on you. Now, as we reach the end of this session, I'd like you to come back to your breath once more. Take a few more deep breaths, coming back to your body, coming back to the space you're in. And when you feel ready, you can slowly open your eyes, experiencing the relief that comes with letting go of anger.